number 445 River Terrace reported structure fire. Stations 25, 26, 28 are in assignment. Downtown number 445 River Terrace versus Williamsburg reported structure fire. 1605, 1005.
100 responding.
Received one call on it. Received 1100 and 2600. Section 2500. Reported flames through the roof for one caller. Here's everybody's out. Looks like it's going to be right on the corner of Monticello and River. Your closest hydrants are going to be on the other side of the street at either Mount Vernon or Williamsburg.
2610, copy.
PD's on scene with a working fire. Chief, you want it upgraded?
Yeah, confirmed. Fire response. 2705 heading to
Station 25 and 26, upgrade to your assignment. Station 29 and engine 30, a ladder 53 and engine. Reported structure fire number 445 River Terrace, buses Williamsburg. 25 and 26, upgrade to your assignment, now working fire. 29 and engine 30, a ladder 53 and engine to the scene. Reported structure fire. 1608. 27 ladder, stand by station 28. Station 27 ladder, stand by station 28.
3000, Rich.
Received PD's reporting an attic fire.
District 11100.
1100.
Advised I'm on location, two-story wood frame structure. Heavy fire shown from the corridor. I'll assume command.
1100 to command.
Switch my operation, channel 2.
All units responding to River Terrace, switch to channel 2. 1100 to command.
2865, 2810 with 5.
2865 copy.
2800 responding.
2800 copy.
District 11100.
1100.
First engine at the scene. Second engine pick up water supply.
District 1, 2501 responding to tree.
2671 received.
2610 on location.
2610's on scene.
2525 responding with 5.
2525 copy.
Go for 2501. Chief, go ahead for 2501.
He's on channel 2, engine 3/4 to the front door.
Chief, go ahead for 2501. Approaching side.
Squad 2630, respond 2620 up 2. Correction 4.
525 on location. Command instruction. Tell you on the team first to engine. 2501 is landed.
2931 copy.
2624 responding with 2.
2624 copy.
6 corners 30, 65, 33 responding with 6.
Chief 3065.
District 1, 2624 is arriving.
Received. 1100 from District 1. Channel 1.
Good.
They have crews inside. We do have alerts for border condition.
Copy.
3000 on location.
Tap, Chief.
12927 responding.
2927 copy.
31's arriving.
2631 received.
District 1 command.
Yeah, Chief.
What do I have on the air?
Your RIT team 2865 is on the way. 2931 has an engine and 3065. Station 53, your status?
We're trying to assemble a crew right now.
District 1 command.
Yes, sir.
At station 53, cover the east end.
Receive. You're 14 minutes in if you want to give me the update now.
Got one line off and working, second line off. As we speak, we're getting ready to do ventilation.